On today's menu, the most incredible vegan cheese.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. I'm always discouraged looking at vegan cheeses at the supermarket because it has a big list of additives and preservatives. We're gonna make vegan cheese today. You're in for a real treat, and because I'm Asian, we're gonna take it to the next level and make it with only 2 ingredients.
Gently warm 2.5 cups of cashew milk on medium, not to a boil.
Now if you wanna make your own cashew milk, you literally just blend up 1/4 cup of cashews with 2 cups of water.
2 tablespoons of lemon juice. When your milk is hot, lemon juice in. Heat off. Gently move around the lemon juice to incorporate. Let the mixture cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Large mixing bowl and sieve. Line your sieve with cheesecloth or a nut milk bag.
Just pour in that cheese. Now do your best to strain out some of that water, but be gentle because we're not making cashew milk, we're making cashew cheese. Of course, this recipe takes a little bit of patience, but I always say that the more time you spend taking care of your food, the more your food will take care of you.
Fill a mason jar with water to use as a weight. Leave it in the fridge overnight.
Just carefully unravel this. That is simply just amazing. This is optional, but if you want to mold your cheese, just line a cup with parchment paper.
An incredible vegan cheese you can make with confidence.
Just with cashew milk and lemon juice, you can make this incredible cheese. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.